This na another demolition of house where Lagos state governor they bring down for first tag for Lagos. Now be this one. So they say because the house they build down for top of water surface. Can you imagine how Lagos state governor they destroy people, they demolish houses everywhere for Lagos? Anyway, make una listen to what Aisha Yusuf they blast them. I take talk say Remi Tinubu, guys, make una listen.
John reminding us of what Remi Tinubu, the wife of the former governor of Lagos State, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, had said in 2019. Just take a moment and watch this video of Remi Tinubu.
Sísáàdì tí wà lọ bí mọ fún Igbo ṣé kí lọ kò bí èsè wà òbí èsè lẹ ti gbà bọ̀dù olóòrò bí èsè lẹ ti gbà bọ̀dù ó sọ̀rọ̀ mú kámẹ́rà wà lọ sílé ẹ̀ ti gbà bọ̀dù a máa jogún yín ni àwa la máa jogún yín àgọ́ wa ló máa jáde yẹn a máa jogún yín láì ṣe pé yìí nìkan ni ara mi Haúsá wà ní àgbà wọn láyè Kàlàbá wà ní àgbà wọn láyè ẹ wọ́n ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé báwọn ti wá ṣe jẹ́.
The audacity to make this statement in such a public place shows how much they have worked on it. So whatever division that you see today, whatever bigotry that you see today, the hatred against Igbo that you see today, the Tinubu's family were at the heart of it because they needed to have this for them to be able to get to whatever ladder that they're going to get to. And you see Remi Tinubu in her element with such venom and such, conviction and such this thing, talking about this thing. So we have someone here called Juba in 2022 that had, sort of like explain some of the things that she was saying. And in it he said, we will invoke Lagos deities to chase away the Igbos who refuse to learn our language. Those that insisted not to marry the Yorubas, we will inherit their belongings. We will chase them away and inherit their properties. And you can see up to today, there are a lot of, it's increasing. This mentality, this bigotry, this hatred against Igbos, and the fact that, they want to inherit property. So whatever it is that you see being done today was deliberate, it was orchestrated for one thing, and it was done by Tinubu, his family, his cover. We can see his wife here representing